Yeah, we're back, and the fun, the food, the friends continue. Let's please welcome our next guest taster. Her name is Cynthia. Woo! Cynthia, you're gonna give me that beautiful smile, a short while to give me a little while.
It's a hard thing.
It's a hard. So, ladies and gentlemen, this segment is called Fit Food Fast, and we have a fitness chef that executes it. Her name is Chef Charlene Procope-Delph. It's all brought to you courtesy the folks at Pepe's products, and Charlene has been experimenting with the full range of Pepe's products. What are you using today, Charlene?
Well, Joel, first of all, hi Cynthia. What I want to say is, honestly, Joel, the Pepe's line, everything is something that I definitely use at home.
At home, yeah.
So today we're going to be using cranberry. You know, all week I'm using quinoa, flaxseed.
We'll be using a lot of seeds.
A lot of seeds, right? So we're going to do...
Pepe line has a lot of seeds.
Yeah, a lot of seeds. Chia seeds, quinoa, flaxseed. They have a lot of products that's healthy. Yeah. So we're good to go. I'm going to be doing scones. Joel, you know, everybody, if you eat scones, it's slightly sweet, it's a little crumbly, but I'm going to make scones into a dessert today. So what I'm going to be using is brown rice flour. Now, brown rice is literally real brown rice that's grind until you see the nice flour. So you know you can substitute brown rice flour for regular white flour and it works just as fine. So in our bowl, I'm going to add some brown rice flour with a tip of salt. I'm going to add some baking powder.
So this is already a healthy scone just by using
the flour. It's already healthy. Yeah. Now I brought sugar. I'm not sure if the audience tell me to put sugar for Joel. I would, but if not, wait, Joel, should I give Joel sugar in the scone? No, I find so.
Sugar, Charlie,
no, and you know why I'm not using sugar? Because cranberry is slightly sweet and tangy. So you're going to get some sweetness from the cranberry and you're going to get some sweetness from some chocolate chip. So no sugar, right? We're good to go. So for scones, I'm gonna be adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. Now you want this to become crumbly like you're making buttermilk biscuit. All right, my butter kind of melts, so it's not gonna be crumbly, but it's gonna come out just as fine. Don't worry about it. So to the flour, I'm gonna add some milk. We're gonna be adding some low-fat yogurt. It's pure Greek yogurt. It has no sugar, so it's super healthy. Do not use the vanilla yogurt like what Joel would use.
And I think based on all of that, probably a pinch of sugar will be needed now.
We'll see. We're going to be adding the cranberry. We're going to be adding the chocolate chip.
But this is chocolate chip cranberries. Is good stuff, Charlie.
We're going to be adding a half of orange.
Oh.
So you're going to be adding some sweetness, so you don't really need no sugar.
Right, yeah. Do you eat healthy all the time, Cynthia?
Most of the time.
Most of the time?
Yeah.
So this is good for you. Put more chocolate chip for you?
No?
Okay, we get it.
Enough.
All right, and basically we're just going to mix this up.
Get it into a dough-like kind of texture.
Yes, if you need more liquid, you just add more yogurt or milk. We should be fine here.
It smells good actually.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's the orange, the cranberry. You know, cranberry has a lot of benefits, Joel. It helps with your heart, it helps prevent obesity, it has a lot of antioxidants in it, it helps with tooth decay, and it also helps with urinary tract disease. So, anytime you're in the grocery, just pick up cranberry and you're good to go. And basically, this is what you're looking for.
Yeah.
It's not like cake and it's not like bread, it's a little in between. Now we're going to throw the batter in our pan and you're just baking this for 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees and that's it.
And a healthy scone.
So I have some here for you.
You do.
Yes.
This is what I'm seeing here?
Yes.
This is the finished product?
Yes.
I'm seeing the cranberries, I'm seeing the chocolate chips. We can go ahead.
Yes, you can.
Should I serve Cynthia?
Yes, of course.
Cynthia.
I'm a lover of scones.
You're a lover of scones?
Yes, I am.
Charlie, you knew
So-
that Cynthia was a lover of scones?
No, I didn't. No, you can use white chocolate instead of dark chocolate. Are you missing a regular white flour?
I'm not even missing the sugar.
Thank you. You like it?
Simple recipe that you can try,
Can you
Cynthia.
use some of the cranberry juice in this as well?
Yes, you could substitute the cranberry juice for the milk.
I told us.
Same liquid.
So you can use orange as well.
So you could use, that's why I added some orange juice
Yes,
as well,
I-
just for the tip of the orange
I was
flavor.
hoping if you can use the cranberry instead of the orange.
All right. Next time, use cranberry juice for Cynthia when Cynthia.
I would
when
definitely.
you're cooking next to Cynthia.
I definitely
All
would.
right. That's it, folks. This is a recipe that you can try. Very simple, and it's brown
Brown rice flour.
rice flour. So not ordinary flour, but brown rice flour. That's what Charlene Procope does, guys. She switches out some regular ingredients, and she kind of gives us that healthy twist on regular dishes that you can try at home and make it that much more healthier. Time to take a short break. I want to thank Cynthia. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you very much. We're taking a clean-up break. This is the Soft Wave. We're coming back. We're wrapping things up in fine style, guys. This is our final episode here. Fiesta Plaza, Flavors at Fiesta by Couple Chip.
Very good shot.
Thank you.